Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use Photoshop to arrange your drawings in a poster. Of course, after doing your drawings in Revit or AutoCAD, you need to export them or save them as PDF. But if you have many drawings and you need to do a poster for your drawings, for presentation and so on, you need a good software to do this. You can do it on Revit or AutoCAD, but if you want to do your design, if you have many elements, it will be slow to use the original softwares. It's better for you to use Photoshop. Believe me, it's the best solution for this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is first you need to know what size of poster you want. Let's say we need A0 poster. File, new. Originally we have only A4, A3 and so on, so go to custom to write the dimensions of the poster that you need. You can look it up if you don't know the size. For A0 it's 841 1189. Okay, and the resolution, this you need to adjust it. I recommend you to not go below 150, because if you need a good resolution when printing, and you can go up to 300 if you want. I'll just keep it 150, and of course not grayscale. Okay. Because as I told you, there's no A0, so you can do a new preset for later if you want to use it and you don't want to write dimensions from the beginning. Just do a new preset for yourself. Basically, it's not A2, sorry, it's A0. Okay, so okay, and it's created. If you want landscape, you can just go to image, rotation 90 degrees, and you have landscape. Okay, now we have our poster. If here in this layer you can do the design for the background, you can get pictures, you can get shapes, anything. I'm not going to tell you how to design your poster, it's up to you, but I'm just telling you the basics of creating posters. Okay, if you want to do to add elements, I recommend you to do new layer. Click on new layer and add the elements. Don't mess up with the original layer. Okay, and after that you need to get your drawings. You need to import from outside after saving PDF. Okay, file, open. We need to open this one. Okay, there's something that's extremely important, is to make sure that the resolution of the imported PDF is the same as your poster, because otherwise the scale won't be the same, and it's a problem. So keep it 150 and click OK. It will be opened in another window. Ctrl++ for zoom in. Just I think I'm going to do another video for shortcuts, but now let's show you this. Okay, Ctrl+C of course for copy. Go back to the poster. Ctrl+V for paste. Okay. Now let's say that we have a gray background. Okay, and we don't want this white box to be behind the drawing. Go to this layer which has the drawing and go here to multiply. Okay, let's make it a little bit lighter. Okay, now the drawing is above here. It's like transparent. Make sure you fill the background of the drawing itself. Okay, I know the color is not nice, but just to show you the idea. Okay, and let's say we need to copy the title or anything else, we can just do the same thing. And we want another drawing ground floor. Okay, again, make sure the resolution is right. You cannot resize the pictures. This is also extremely important when after copying and pasting. Don't play with the picture or the drawing, because the scale will be wrong. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again go to this and multiply. It will be transparent. You can write the name of the drawing and the scale. Ground, I think the color is not showing. I think it's black. Okay, ground floor, plan, and you can write the scale, whatever. Okay, of course you won't do a poster like this, but this is just for demonstration. Okay, and you're done. You want to save it. You can either save it as PDF, okay, or I don't know why, but I prefer printing using the same tool that I use for Revit, which is Qt PDF. Originally, when you open this box, usually the size won't be right, so you need to go to page setup and you need to go to advanced, select the size of the paper that you want, and make sure the orientation is right. It's not portrait, because you see how it will look like. You need to select the right thing, and you're done. You can just click print, and after a while you will see that the box will come up and will tell you to name the drawing or the poster, and it will be done. You will have the PDF file. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was useful for you. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much.